Hey, this is Kris with Streamline Connector, and today I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify with n8n the easy way. Start off in your n8n dashboard and click on Create Workflow. Then navigate to your Streamline Connector dashboard, find your Get Orders endpoint, and click Download Template. Choose where to save your template, navigate back to your n8n workflow, click the three dots next to Save, click Import from File, and choose your template. Click Execute Workflow, and you're done. You can check the results by clicking Display Results. And if you click on Table View or click down here, you'll be able to see all of your orders page by page. That's how you connect n8n to Shopify in under a minute without custom apps or permissions. Click the link in the description to get your free Streamline Connector trial, along with 5 starter templates, and connect Shopify with n8n in less than a minute. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow along for more n8n, Shopify, and AI tutorials.